gonna be cleaning over here so we can get a nice clean surface for the wheel bearing to sit. For the compressor to fill up, we're gonna be taking off the new wheel hub assembly and start setting it off to the side. This is the new one that we got, okay? Surface for the mating surface of the wheel bearing. We are going to get ready to install it, and we're going to put a little bit of anti-seize within the dust cover, like so. Don't forget about the dust cover, okay? And the wheel hub is in there. Sometimes this thing's in the way, so we got to make it shorter. We got to change that boot and put everything back together, and we're done. Got the new bearing right there.